In this video I show you how to paint this painting using the acrylic pour comb technique, from mixing your paints to using the comb to achieve this wave-like effect. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Welcome to Artist Unlocked. Artist Unlocked is an art tutorial YouTube channel inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artist Unlocked. Please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Let's get back to the video. The colours I'll be using for the tutorial are Nic Pro Acrylic Pour in Black, Nic Pro Acrylic Pour in Orange, Nic Pro Acrylic Pour in White. Before using pre-mixed pouring paints, shake the bottles to ensure that the paint is well mixed. This will introduce air bubbles into the paint. To cut down on air bubbles in the finished painting, place your paint in a container with hot water for 15 minutes. I'll be using a Charlemagne carbon comb for this painting, because the two spaces between each tooth is the same. Unlike a regular comb where the teeth are closer together on one side and wide apart on the other side, this will produce different size waves when dragged through the paint. Its large size also covers more area of the canvas, unlike a standard comb. There will be a full list of materials in the description. Just let you know, this video is not sponsored. Some of the product links in the description are affiliate links. This means if you buy a product, I will receive a small commission. Now mix your paints to the measurements on screen. To avoid air bubbles, leave your cup standing in hot water for 15 minutes. Now we've mixed the paints, it's time to paint the picture. When pouring your colours, pour from light to dark. Start with white, then light orange and then dark orange. So when you drag the comb through the paint, the contrast between the white and dark orange will give the impression that waves have depth. Once you're happy with your painting, drag the comb through the paint from left to right, moving up and down simultaneously to create a wave-like effect. Finally, use a heat gun to pop any air bubbles and leave your paint to dry for 24 hours. Here is the finished painting. I am really pleased with it. The contrast between white and dark orange really gives the impression of waves. This piece has inspired me to paint it again, but this time make the primary colour blue to give the painting more of a beach-like feel. Something like this. Write in the comments if you'd like me to cover a beach scene, or any other acrylic pour techniques you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe and comment for more content. Artist Unlocked, inspiring you to create your own artwork you want to exhibit, so you can achieve Artist Unlocked.